Hey guys, it's Honesty and welcome back to my channel. It's another cooking time with me and today's menu is chicken lo mein. So if you have an interest in this, just stick around guys, and please remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's get going. So guys, we're gonna start off with our ingredients. Some of the ingredients actually. We have some chopped onions, carrots, scallion. I have garlic and ginger. And I have some leftover broccoli that I had in the fridge, and I also have pop chow. Just cut it up in some pieces, and sweet pepper. And for our sauce, we're gonna need the Chinese soy sauce, and I'll be using mushroom sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and season up my chicken, and I have the chicken seasoning and also the all-purpose seasoning. And guys, this is just chicken breast that I just cut in small pieces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season this, and then I'm gonna add some Chinese soy sauce to it just to give it a little bit of color, and I'm gonna set this aside. So guys, it's time to make the pasta, and this is the pasta that I'll be using. You can use any pasta that you wish, and also follow the instructions on the packaging. So to my boiling water, just added some salt and also some vegetable cooking oil. I normally just add the cooking oil just to prevent my pasta from sticking. So we're gonna allow for the pasta to cook, and then we're gonna move on to the sauce. So guys, for the sauce, I used around 2/3 cups of the oyster sauce and also a tablespoon of the Chinese soy sauce. Then a teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm gonna go ahead and give this a mix. So guys, it's now time to cook our chicken breast. So I just added a little bit of oil in the pot, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook this chicken, and once this chicken breast is all cooked, then I'll come back. So guys, the chicken is all done, so I'm gonna move on to the veggies. I just added a little bit of oil, then I'm gonna saute the garlic and ginger first, and then after that we're gonna add the rest of the veggies. Alright guys, so all my veggies have been added and cooked, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the sauce that I made earlier, give that a stir, and then we're gonna add our chicken breasts. So guys, while I was at this point in the cooking, I was so tempted to just put on some rice and eat this with some rice. This what we have here is called chop suey, and it tastes so yummy with rice. But I already cooked the pasta, so I was like, what the heck, I can't do that. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and add the pasta now. So guys, I did go ahead and made additional sauce. Reason being, I did cook the rest of the pasta, so it needed more sauce, so I just went ahead and do that. And yeah guys, so this is our chicken lo mein. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, share, and if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and last but not least, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.